What's the meaning of crabwise? Crabwise. Crabwise.
Crabwise. Crabwise. The term crabwise refers to a movement or action that is executed sideways or diagonally, similar to the way a crab moves. It can be used to describe physical movements, such as walking or swimming, as well as figurative actions, such as approaching a problem or situation indirectly or cautiously. The result of moving crabwise can vary depending on the context. It may be interpreted as being slow and deliberate, sneaky or suspicious, or even graceful and fluid, as in certain dance styles.